In this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple outbound routes. Now, this can be useful where you may want to restrict certain extensions from using certain routes. So, for example, maybe you want to allow certain extensions to be able to dial internationally, while other extensions are only allowed to dial local or national numbers. So we come down to extensions, outbound routes, and we've got our wildcard route in here already. So let's create a new one, and let's call this local calls. And then I'm going to add a couple of rules that I've created, or patterns that I've created here. Now, just to explain these, what these patterns do is they will match any outbound number that starts with 03, and then the third digit is any digit between 2 and 9, and then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra digits that can be from 0 to 9. So if you have a look at X under the tooltip there, it is any digit from 0 to 9. The next one here is if you're dialing a number without the area code in the same format. So any digit from 2 to 9, and then followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits, which can be any number from 0 to 9. Now I've added just a little comment next to these. So if you do a slash and then a star before and after your text, that will make that a comment, just to help remind you what it is. So now I've done that, I'll select the privilege level, and I will make this, let's make this local calls, or local privilege level, rather. And then we will need to specify our trunk and click save. Oh, I have an invalid parameter. Let's just see what that is. Wonder if it's my comments. We'll try without those. Looks like you can't add comments anymore. So now we've got those, we will go into our extensions, and we'll come in and change one of these extensions and make their call privilege local. And now we'll save it. So what this will do is now extension 1001 only has local call privileges. It can only use outbound routes that are local privilege level or lower, so local or internal. So if we now try and use extension 1001 and make a call out to an external number that is not part of that pattern. So as an example, I'm going to ring 0800 000 000.
You are not allowed to dial this number.
Okay, and now if we dial a number that we are allowed to dial, so
Thank you for calling wireless indeed.
We can see it succeeds. Now, just another handy little trick that we can do with outbound routes is we can add a PIN code onto them as well. So if we add a PIN code or a password for using this, so let's see, we'll make it 9901 and then save, apply changes. Now, from one of the other phones that can use the international route, we will dial that 0800 number again.
Please enter your password followed by the pound key.
Okay, so my password was 9901 and pound.
Thank you.
Kia ora. Welcome to Spark. To enter a Spark number, press 2.
Okay, so now we've done some stuff with privileges. We can we'll go ahead and look at another option with our privilege levels, which is the disable option. So, for example, we could use a pattern. So again, using the tooltip, we could say extension 1001 will be allowed to go out this route, or we could maybe make it a bit smarter and say any digit from 1 to 9. So that will now match for any extension from 1001 through to 1009. Okay, we can also pick extensions here. So we could say allow extension 1000 and 1002 to use this route. And only the ones that are in the allowed list will be able to use this route.